Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, English in a Easy Way. Let's learn about vegetables name. Welcome to this fun and educational journey of learning vegetables name in both Tamil and English. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this guide will help you. Try to answer alone with me. Let's get started. Guess the answer. Onion. Onion. Guess the image. Tomato. Tomato. Guess the answer. Potato. Potato. Did you get the answer? Carrot. Carrot. Guess the answer. Brinjal. Brinjal. Guess the answer. Beans. Beans. Guess the answer. Cabbage. Cabbage. Did you get the answer? Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Guess the answer. Drumstick. Drumstick. Guess the answer. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Guess the answer. Snake gourd. Snake gourd. Did you get the answer? Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. Guess the answer. Ridge gourd. Ridge gourd. Guess the answer. Lady's finger. Lady's finger. Guess the answer. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Guess the answer. Radish. Radish. Guess the answer. Garlic. Garlic. Guess the answer. Green chili. Green chili. Guess the answer. Beetroot. Beetroot. Guess the answer. Yam. Yam. Guess the answer. Colocasia. Colocasia. Guess the answer. Broad beans. Broad beans. Guess the answer. Cluster beans. Cluster beans. Guess the answer. Raw banana. Raw banana. Guess the answer. Ivy gourd. Ivy gourd. Guess the answer. Ash gourd. Ash gourd. Guess the answer. Raw mango. Raw mango. Guess the answer. Capsicum. Capsicum. Guess the answer. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Guess the answer. Raw papaya. Raw papaya. Guess the answer. Tamarind. Tamarind. Guess the answer. Cucumber. Cucumber. Did you get the answer? Banana stem. Banana stem. Guess the answer. Banana flower. Banana flower. Guess the answer. Turmeric. Turmeric. Guess the answer. Ginger. Ginger. Guess the answer. Pearl onion. Pearl onion. Types of greens. Guess the answer. Curry leaves. Curry leaves. Guess the answer. Coriander leaves. Guess the answer. Mint leaves. Mint leaves. Guess the answer. Moringa leaves. Moringa leaves. Guess the answer. Fenugreek leaves. Fenugreek leaves. Guess the answer. Mustard greens. Mustard greens. Guess the answer. Spinach. Spinach. Guess the answer. Amaranth leaves. These types of greens have the same names in both Tamil and English. And that's a wrap for today. Stay tuned and improve your English skills with us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow for more English knowledge. Subscribe and hit the bell button for new updates. Keep learning and improving your English skills. See you in the next video.